LG has gained enough fame points with its Gram laptop to become a formidable rival to Apple MacBook and Dell XPS. The appeal of the Gram lineup has always been its lightweight form factor without compromising the performance. And the recent 16-inch LG Gram surpasses both in terms of portability and creativity. And I've been using this laptop for a while now, and no doubt it has turned out to be my favorite one to carry anywhere. And here are some reasons that made me prefer LG Gram over most other laptops or even MacBooks. The first reason is, the 16-inch LG Gram laptop is exceptionally lightweight. Like, literally I carry this laptop from my home to the office without knowing it's in my backpack. In other words, this device defies the laws of gravity by weighing just 2.64 pounds, all thanks to its unbelievably sleek and slim design. So when I first pulled it out of its box, I thought it was made from plastic, but it's actually not. LG used magnesium alloy instead of aluminum alloy to reduce the weight, but that doesn't compromise its durability. It even passed 7 different military standard tests for durability conducted, including drops, shocks, and temperatures. And yes, you can open the lid with one finger. That indicates how smooth the hinge is. So I must say, good job LG. As for its keyboard, it's pretty comfortable, tactile, and has good key travel. I did not face any typing issues while writing mail or content. In addition, it's equipped with a numpad which comes in pretty handy while I work on Excel spreadsheets. Plus, the trackpad is larger than regular ones and also responsive. The LG Gram 16 has some important connectors like HDMI 2.0, a 3.5mm audio port, a microSD slot, 2 Thunderbolt 4, and 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2x1 ports. So by using Thunderbolt 4, I can expand the display pretty easily, which actually helps me to do multiple tasks in a breeze. After that, the display part comes to a point. With this Gram laptop, I got a 16-inch IPS display with WQXGA 2560x1600 resolution. It also has an anti-glare coating on it to reduce the amount of reflection. The display even comes with really good deep blacks, white points, and color gamut, which actually helps me a lot with my video editing and Photoshop. Also, the bezel on this laptop is incredibly thin on all sides. As I said earlier, you can expand the display by using Thunderbolt 4. To do that, LG itself provides an LG Gram Plus View display that you can use via a USB-C cable. Anyway, the coolest thing is, I could not find any color differences between these two displays, and they match everything precisely. There is another thing that's worth mentioning, which is by following my head and eye movements, the LG Glance by Mirrormetrics can do things like transfer my work between the laptop and Plus View monitor. It also blurs the content when I look away, which I have found to be pretty cool. So, you might think due to its lightweight design there is a limitation in its performance, but there isn't. This laptop is equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake processor that delivers outstanding performance on the go. Not only that, the processor has even been paired with the latest LPDDR5 memory that has 5200 MHz bus speed. And the Gram I've been using comes with 32GB of RAM and 2TB of SSD, which feels amazing. With such specs, I stay focused on my tasks without facing any kind of buffering. Anyway, there are options with 8 and 16GB of RAM as well. Also, it has an Intel Iris Xe GPU which is capable of driving an 8K monitor. But if you need something more powerful, you can buy this laptop with RTX 2050, which is more than enough to do your video editing, graphics design, or playing video games. This 16-inch LG Gram laptop not only comes with 1 but 2 SSD slots that are PCIe Gen 4, so you can export or import files effortlessly while doing heavy tasks. Especially I found this laptop pretty responsive while working on Lightroom and Photoshop, and for wireless connectivity, it has Wi-Fi 6E. This is the latest version of Wi-Fi which delivers the fastest wireless speed possible. Now, even with all of these specifications, I found this laptop reasonably quiet. Just whatever you do, don't turn off the fan to make it completely silent. If you do that, it might throttle its performance. Overall, from my side, it has top-notch specifications in an extremely lightweight design. Battery life is another key point of this lightweight laptop, so for that, it's equipped with an 80 Wh battery and, according to LG, can provide up to 20.5 hours of video playback. In our own tests, it delivered up to 13.5 hours of battery life in mixed usage. Now, yes, I know the battery life depends on various facts, but still, it can give you more than enough backup to get your job done. In short, there is nothing that can beat the LG Gram when it comes to the weight. It ensures all top-notch specs in a slim and sleek design, and not only that, it even provides outstanding battery life to make it through your daily tasks. So, if you're planning to buy one, I'd say go for it. Well, that's all from my side. Let me know what you think about the 16-inch LG Gram. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.